Today, the harm is one. There is no two harm in South Sudan. We have SPLA forces who are outside the country. They are already recognized by the people of South Sudan. And now the cantonment area of Pulturuk is already recognized. Is to tell you peace is very important. Now in Nyirol County, there are some groups who are not yet joined you, but we are still communicating with the authority that these people should join us today. I'm Honorable William Cole. I'm the minister in Jonglei State who advocate for peace in Jonglei. We support Dr. Yagai Cook to make sure that Nuer are not violating peace, because we fed up of fighting. We are 13 years conflicting, fighting ourselves, and also fighting the government. Now, the government of General Salva Kiir decided all the armed forces should come together to join the SSPDF. And that is why you see General Gatke Tulche and his force is now with us. Urur, Nyirol, and Akobo. We are standing for the peace that have been signed in 2018. And this is where you have seen the big number that have been turned up to make a declaration. This declaration is not Army alone. It is all the community that have been stand up right from 25 up to today. But they have demand the things that are facing them. Number one is hospital. That have to be put, because Nyirol County doesn't have a hospital. Based on the initiative that have been made in the national government. But we are requesting that the hospital should be put in a bigger part of the Nyirol, which is the headquarters of Pading. His Excellency the President, I request the Minister of Health, I request the Governor of Jonglei State to make it immediately and should be put together like Urur Hospital or UI Hospital and Akoba Hospital. That is the first demand that have been said by the community. We are joining the SSPDF, and if we are joining the SPLM party, and if we are joining the Jonglei State government. These are our first demand that we are demanding. Secondly,
Assalamu alaikum. Isimi Peter Garke Tolkien. Ana yukurkum from Jinub, Ries, Salva Kiir Mayadit. Ana nukurkum Governor Jonglei State, Dr. Yagai Cook. Ana Silim Alela.